Hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your noodles. Today I've got one from a Zen Pop box. You go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. We've got this here. What is this? This is that. See, there's the lid. This is a Toyama, basically like a shrimp instant noodle, Dashi, Shio, Toyama, Shiro. It's a long name. Interesting. There's the noodle block. Here's the little bit here. And we've got a liquid sachet that'll go in at the very end. Been an interesting weekend, and I'm looking forward to telling you all about it here on the big show. So let's see, where's that fill line? Right there. Right there. Alright, let me turn that off. We got 3 minutes. Good. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Lidding it. Doing it. Rocking it. Yeah. So, Friday was Miles' birthday. He is now a full-fledged 7-year-old. We found out a little more info on school for them, which is exciting. It's getting there. He goes back 9 days. 9 days until school starts for him, and then she starts September 5th. So it should be good. I'm excited. And I am tired and sore. Last 2 days I did Saturday I walked 10 miles. Sunday I walked 7, 8, something like that. And I'm today I'm really not going to be able to do a whole heck of a lot. I might make usually my goal, and I never changed it since I got my Fitbit, was always 7,000 steps, which 10,000 is about 5 miles, or 10 to 12,000. So now it's like home all day, got the kids, wife gets home, I run out down to the store and back, and then I'm like, that's it. So if I'm lucky, I'll get maybe 5 to 6,000. But as soon as school starts, that'll change, because I'm gonna But yeah, I kicked my butt this weekend. My feet are sore. It's like underneath my toes I've got blisters, and yeah, but it's good. It's a good sore. Man, I'm tired today. Oh boy. So yeah, that's about the size of it currently. We got a lot more 80 degrees days coming up too. I'm really sick of those. Sleepy time. That sounds nice. And let's see, yesterday we went to Target. Boy, I'll leave that for the next episode. That was crazy. Absolutely crazy. I always thought that was a nice place, and the one we went to, wow, super ghetto. It never was that way before, but I think what happened is they just have staffing shortages. Yeah, but I'll tell you more about that on the next episode. Here we are. It came with a liquid sachet as well. This is, I'm guessing, the Dashi. I found I had a folder with older music in it. So I thought I'd give that a try. I think this is the playlist that I like absolutely hated, but I don't know, some kind of change sounds good at this point. Okay, let you have a look-see at my face. No, this noodle. There you go. All right, let's give this a try. Noodle's pretty good. Here's our Dashi Shio broth. And with that utterance, you can kind of tell I'm not like extremely like, wow, this is amazing, because it's all right. I'm not enthused. I am lacking in enthusiasm. It has been curbed, so they say. They do. They say things. They say a lot of things. So we'll add there we are. You know what? I want you to be able to see more of the broth. Come on, knock that off. Get in there. Ow, 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 ow. Freaking God. Yeah, there's a reason they put those wrappers on the cups. So there's that. We're going to add in some, what we got here? A little shrimp. Little. And come on, you hop out. I have one slice of chashu left. That's like level 10 chashu emergency in my world. Not a fan of that. A little bit of spring onion. A little bit of sprouty sprout. Yeah, I don't know if you can tell, I am like absolutely dog tired today after my walking. And it used to be I would pull off that much walking every day, no sweat. But you know, you gain the stamina, then you lose the stamina. But my feet, I assure you, will be totally blistered and happy to be so soon. This is called sansyo, and it's pepper. It's oh, and that's a lot of it. Yeah, Japanese pepper. I think it's like Japanese green pepper. A little bit like that. And I think that's good for me. Yeah, not really impressed with this one. But put it this way, I've had worse. So let's do this to this. Well, well, well. Well, Wellheim. I don't know. But this is a South Korean, this is Seoul dokboki. It's jajang, so it's a black bean dokboki. And it came from Buhan Market, which is down the road in Edmonds. Great place. You should check it out if you live in the area. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.